Oh, it's definitely flooded in. That's our bridge down there. Ain't going nowhere. Go, that you killed. Probably would get through there, but I'd very dangerous, especially with them logs there. The boss will be home soon, the owner. He'll, I don't know, Jesus, come up quick. Oh, crikey. Anyway, it's still raining. Plenty happening. Back up a bit. Oh, it's a bit wet down here. Actually quite wet around here at the moment. Got a lot of water around. And so that I'll just take this up here for a bit. Plenty of water on the road. There's no sign of it letting up. From the looks of that, we're going to be stuck in here for a few days. Plenty of water in the swamp over there. On the window down so I can get a better look. Just the swamp. Plenty of water in there. When I know it's going to flood, when this starts running up here, that's how I know it's going to flood. But that's the catchment area up there, straight out there. You can't see the hills for the rain. And we're in for it. Joy.